and welcome to today's tutorial in which we will cover the key performance indicators and the purpose and benefit of having these, and some guidance and suggestions on how to select the right KPIs for your organization. Let's start out by going over the definition of a key performance indicator. A key performance indicator is a measurable value that demonstrates how efficiently a company, a department, or an individual achieves critical business objectives. Organizations use KPIs at multiple levels to evaluate the success at reaching the desired targets and efficiency levels. It's important to understand that a KPI has to be measurable. Now, the difference between a KPI and a deliverable, or even a job description, is that can be tangible or intangible, and it may encompass multiple small deliverables like project milestones or broader desired outcomes that usually are a building block or an overall development to be achieved by numerous contributors.